Hello, dear friends, all lovers of freedom all over the world. This is good news, very good news. You can see in this video that some of our sleeping brothers have started waking up. These are Ikwerre youths who have come to join BNL, Biafra Nations League, under the leadership of Mazi Richards. It's a welcome development, and this is a boost to Biafra restoration. The more people we get into our fold, the more chances we have to stop the zoo election in Biafra land come 2023. So kudos to BNL. We love what is happening. We cherish it. Okay? And in the next video, Prince Fuad himself will tell you how he rescued some kidnapped victims.
Fellow Biafrans, my dear people of Amazonia, my name is Prince Richard, leader of the BNF family. Sorry, I'm just waking up from sleep. It is indeed a wonderful situation, a great news today that some of our brothers, our people who were abducted in Manfe have been released. Recall that a few weeks ago, I think about a month or so, we got the news of abduction of some Catholic, some persons, including some Catholic priests, but we never knew that some of our people were actually among. So we gave it a deaf ear, we decided to ignore because it's not our own problem. Until 3 days ago, when the chairman of Enugu State chapter of Alibo Development Foundation contacted me and drew my attention to the abduction that two Igbo missionaries, Catholic missionaries, were among those abducted, and in Manfe, and asking if there is anything, anyhow we can find out, reach out to them, or I said okay, we'll give them feedback the next day. And the next day, get out, I'm doing something. And the next day, um, that was when I was on my way to Bakassi Peninsula for our press briefing. They called me again. I told them, okay, I will head to the borders and will know if actually they were abducted by Amba fighters or maybe some criminal elements or some stuff like that. And so we made that move. We made that move, and we reached out to some of them at the borders, and they forwarded the video to us. I also sent it to ADF, and they confirmed that those priests were among. Then we started negotiating. Initially, they were demanding for ransom, and I think about 10 million FRS or something like that, which the Catholic Church refused to pay, and those people were kept there for weeks. So we pleaded, we interceded on behalf of our own people with them, and yesterday we got the news that they have been set free. I think that is a wonderful one to have listened to us. We really appreciate them, the Amazonia fighters. We really appreciate them for listening to us. It's indeed a great one. Of course, their own people in our own territory are very much safe, and we don't harm them. So we don't see any reason why our own people will be kept in captivity and not that they're based there. So it's a good one. We appreciate them. We are very happy and for what they have done. Somebody who is asking why I'm lying down. I'm resting, so I'm just waking up from sleep. You can see how my voice is. So we got the report of their release, and we have also reached out to Ali Igbo Development Foundation, and they are excited and, for the development. So I thank all Amazonians, and I wish to use this opportunity to appeal to them not to do anything that will inflict pains on our people across the borders, not to harm our people, not to abduct our people for whatsoever reason. Because on our own side, their own people are very much safe. And whenever, let's assume that the abduction was a mistake, and they didn't know that these people were Biafrans, but since they have known and they have released them, we really give them applause for that. So I think that is my message to them tonight. Thank you very much. I don't have much to say. Thank you. I thank them and I really appreciate them. All Biafrans are appreciating them for what they did. Good night, everyone. Yeah, fellow Biafrans, uh, my dear people of Ambazonia,